Okay, so here we will check difference between double equal to and triple equal to comparison when we use in a if condition. So let's define one variable a equal to 11 and sorry, this one a variable b equal to 1. Okay, both variable defined with same value but different data types. Now we will compare if a is equal to B then console log edge or yes, it is showing that condition is true, and we can see that it's printing console log match. Here we will print not match. So if we check with the triple equal to, it show not match because in the triple equal to it's compare value with data type, like it's a string and b is the number. It's also checking that a and b have the same data type or not. And if we remove the one equal to, it's showing the match again. If we go for these triple equal to and convert b into string, it show match because the both data type is the same.